Most IT support jobs now expect Linux knowledge, and most beginners never get real hands-on practice. In the next 15 minutes, you'll actually use Linux, not just hear about it. Running Ubuntu safely inside VMware. This is Ubuntu Linux running on a Windows machine using VMware exactly how IT professionals practice, test, and troubleshoot. Linux powers servers, cloud systems, firewalls, and enterprise tools. By the end of this video, you'll know how Linux is used in IT support, how to navigate Ubuntu, how to use the terminal confidently, how to manage files, permissions, and software. VMware lets us run Linux as a virtual machine, meaning Linux thinks it's on a real comp, but it's safely contained. This is the best way to learn Linux with zero risk. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions in enterprise environments. Everything you can do with the mouse. You can also do faster in the terminal, and that's where IT support lives. On your terminal and type LSB release A and press Enter. No LSB modules are available. Means optional LSB compatibility packages aren't installed. The release info is still correct. Distributor ID tells you the distribution vendor. Description: this is the human-friendly label. The version 22.04. The point release 0.3. The support model LTS, long-term support. Release: this is the numeric version only, 22.04. Think of it as the machine-readable version number. This confirms we're running Ubuntu Linux. Open your terminal and type mkdir to create a new folder and name it learning_folder. This helps organize files, just like creating a folder in Windows. Type cd learning_folder to move into that folder. From this point on, everything I create will be inside the folder you have just created. Let's create a new empty file and name it readme.txt. On terminal, type touch readme.txt. This file is commonly used to store notes or documentation. Type ls to see the list of contents of the folder and confirm that the file was created successfully. Now, while still inside the folder, open the file using this command in your terminal. nano readme.txt. Nano is a simple text editor built directly into Linux. Just like how we have Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text in Windows. Nano command allows you to type and edit text directly inside the terminal, without using a graphical application. You can start typing immediately and make changes, and when you are done, press Ctrl+O to save the file. Then Enter and Ctrl+X to exit. Linux is secure by design because of permissions. And due to that, we need to set permission for users to edit or read the file. On the terminal, type LSL and press Enter to show detailed information about the file. These letters tell us who can read, write, or execute that file. Many real Linux problems don't come from broken software, they come from incorrect permissions. Now let's fix the file permissions using the command chmod 644 readme.txt. The chmod command stands for change mode, and it's used to modify file permissions in Linux. The number 6 gives the file owner permission to read and write. The first for allows the group to read the file, and the last for allows everyone else to read it as WL. So after running this command, the owner can view and edit the file, but no one else can make change. This is a common permission setting for text files secure, controlled, and safe for shared system. In Linux, software comes from trusted repositories instead of random downloads from the internet. This makes installations more secure and easier to manage. Open terminal and type sudo apt update. At this point, the system to refresh its software list. The word sudo gives you administrative privileges, so I'm allowed to make system-level changes. The apt update command contacts Ubuntu's trusted repositories and checked for the latest available versions of installed software. It doesn't install anything, yet it simply updates the package database, so the system knows what updates are available. This is always the first step before installing or upgrading software in Linux. Now sudo apt install tree to install a tool called tree. The apt install command tells Ubuntu to download and install the software. Linux automatically retrieves the package from a trusted repository, verifies it, and installs it securely. There's no searching random websites, no risky downloads, just clean, controlled installation directly from verified sources. On your terminal, run tree, and the command will display the directory structure in a clear, visual format. Instead of listing files in a single column, it organizes them in a branching layout, so you can easily see which folders contain which files. This makes it much easier to understand how a system is structured, especially when troubleshooting or reviewing project directories. Support teams often need system information quickly, especially when troubleshooting active issues. On your terminal, type uname spac a command to display important system details, including the Linux kernel version and system architecture. On your terminal, type df space -h command to show disk usage in a clear, human-readable format, making it easy to identify storage problems. Finally, use the FRE space -m to display current memory usage, helping diagnose performance or resource-related issues in real time.